This is the new Saffron Cleansing Balm. It will effortlessly melt away impurities, makeup and sunscreen, leaving your skin feeling refreshed and revitalized and radiant. This has brightening properties. It is suitable for all skin types. However, if you do have high level of sensitivity, please always do a patch test. This will not clog your pores. The key benefits are it's moisturizing, it's anti-aging. It will improve your skin tone, it improves the skin elasticity, removes even waterproof makeup. This transforms from solid balm to a silky oil cleanser upon application. The key ingredients are safflower, sea buckthorn, jojoba, saffron and vitamin E with no alcohol or fragrances. We have more than 20,000 visible pores. Cleansing balm helps purify the skin by removing dirt and debris that can clog our pores. This is a gentle cleanser, it's hydrating and can be used as a double cleanser. It is convenient and travel friendly. This is luxurious and it's an effective way to cleanse the skin and help to fade marks. Like all oil-based cleansers, you must always use a wet towel after cleansing to wipe away any of the cleanser. And this is to ensure nothing is left behind because oil and water naturally do not mix. After you have removed it with the towel, you can go ahead and rinse as normal with water.